Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 9:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, May 2, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan, 9:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Tuesday, May 2, 2023. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts around 45 miles per hour expected, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, when, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions: use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle, secure outdoor objects, and